you all on my channel CATIA Techies. Okay, so today we will be having a brief information about this software. Before starting all of the tutorials, you should at least have a basic knowledge, and in the prior lectures you will be having a very deep study on it, but still as if new as a beginner, you should have one insight for the software. Okay, so on the screen you will be seeing the basic environment of the CATIA, and this is basically a assembly module where you can drag all of the parts you have made in a 3D form here and assemble different parts on a time. We will be having brief study on assembly, its types, and how we can be dealing with it in the prior videos when we have a specific video on the assembly design. Okay, so what is this? This is your history panel. Whatever you will be drawing, whatever you are doing in this environment, it will be highlighted over here. This is the most important part from where you can jump from into your processes. Okay, so this is all about this. Now after this I will be telling you about the menu bar over here. So these are basically the basic menus which we have learned in our day-to-day lives in Microsoft, while using Microsoft Excel, Word, all of it. So these are some basic menu over here from where you can have a save option, new form. Okay, so this is also the same. Okay, only this we will be learning in detail. Properties, from where you can have material properties directly. After that, this is view part, which is not at all needed when you will be working in the environment, because on the same part you will be having this all of the things available there. After that, this and these are some of the basic things which you will be learning in the further part. After this, this is somewhat important, because unnecessarily just cancelling out here and jumping into another module is very difficult. So you can make use of this part where you will be having one and other module. After this is the main thing which we will be having into our consideration, this start menu, from where you have all the access to the various modules in the CATIA. This is the major game of which we have to play. After this, this is the main thing which we will be learning: part design, assembly design, sketcher, it's the same over there, weld design, the drafting and sheet metal design, generative sheet metal design, wireframe and surface design. Okay, these are some of the modules which I will be going to teach you in my video tutorials. After that, this thing, one generative structural analysis, where you can have stress analysis on the inbuilt models. After that, these are all some of the things which will be having into your brief, because these are all the things which will be taught, and until you have some effort towards them, because you have to spend at least of 30 years for the software, because this is a very fast software. Okay, to being a perfect and expert into it, you have to spend more and more time into it. So basic things you will be learning here, by which you can just have a very clear insight to the software. So don't worry about it, just rely on my videos. Okay, after that, this is what we have to, how we jump into one module and the other. Okay, this is what is a 3D module of a 3D modeling. So only parameter. After this, we will be having a brief insight into how to draw 3D parts, how to make 2D sketches into this. Okay, we'll be having very deep insight to this. So it's all about first lecture of CATIA tutorial. So I hope you will be having downloaded the software. You can get it from anywhere. Nowadays it's not very difficult to have such software. You can get it on torrents also. So thank you guys.